kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the kinds of animals. In this lesson, you will be able to learn and understand the different kinds of animals. Are you ready? What do you see on the background? Exactly! These are animals. Different animals are everywhere, and there are different kinds of animals. Let's go! Let's discuss them one by one. Some are taken care of at homes. Do you know what kind of animals are these? Some are raised on farms. What kind of animals are these? Others live in seas, deserts, or forests. Do you know what kind of animals are these? Animals that live in houses with people are called pets. Pets are animals that you can keep in your house. They are tame, lovable, kind, and playful. They can be your friend and companion if you are good to them. Most of them are lovable and cuddly. These are some examples of pets: cat, dog, rabbit, hamster, fish, bird. How about you? Do you have pet? What can you say about your pet? Animals that live on farms are called farm animals. Farm animals are helpful animals. They live in the farm. Farm animals can give food like milk, eggs, and meat. Farm animals can help you with your work. They can plow the fields, they can carry heavy loads, or they can give you transportation. Examples of farm animals are hen, horse, cow, ducks, rooster, goat, sheep, goose, carabao. Can you give more examples of farm animals? Animals that live in seas, deserts, or forests are called wild animals. Some wild animals are kept in zoos. They are not kept as pets. They are usually wild and dangerous. Most of them can be harmful. These are some examples of wild animals: lion, snake, tiger, crocodile, giraffe, elephant, zebra. How about you? Have you seen a wild animal? Can you give more examples of wild animals? Once again, these are the kinds of animals: pets, farm animals, and wild animals. Are you ready? Tell if each picture shows a pet, a farm, or a wild animal. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comments section. The picture shows a crocodile, and crocodile is an example of a wild animal. This is a cat, and cat is a pet animal. The picture shows a snake, and a snake is an example of a wild animal. This is a turkey, and turkey is a farm animal. This is a dog, and dog is a pet animal. The picture shows a panda or a panda bear, and it is a wild animal. This is gorilla, and gorilla is wild animal. The picture shows a rooster, and rooster is a farm animal. This is a deer, and deer is an example of a wild animal. This is a bird, and bird is a pet animal. This is a whale, and whale is a wild animal. This is a goose, and goose is a farm animal. This is a raccoon, and raccoon is a wild animal.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.